The sun is sinking towards the westward. The fleet is leaving Dingle shore. I watch the men row in their curraghs as they mark the fishing ground near Skellig Moor. All through the night men toil until the day break, while at home their wives and sweethearts kneel and pray. But God may guard them and protect them, and bring them safely back to Dingle Bay. I see the green isle of Valentia. I mind the days around Loughlin, the gannet swinging with abandon as they watch the silver shore that comes their way. I also see a ship on the horizon. She is sailing to a country far away. On board are exiles feeling lonely as they wave a fond farewell to Dingle Bay. Now years have passed since I came homeward, and time has left me old and grey. I sit to muse about my childhood and the happy times I spent in Dingle Bay. I see again the green isle of Valentia, and the isle of Inishmore seems far away. And I'm always dreaming of my childhood and the happy times I spent in Dingle Bay. And the happy times I spent in Dingle